Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing a custom indicator known as the Fiji BB Alert Indicator. Alright, so for the purpose of clarity, I'm just going to be writing the indicator on the chart here so you can see it clearly. This is the name of the indicator, Fiji BB Alert Indicator. All right, I am going to add the indicator to the chart as well. I have already downloaded it because it's a custom indicator, so you will need to download it first. After that, you will need to add the indicators file to your indicator library for the MetaTrader platform, and after that you will then be able to add the indicator to your chart after you must have relaunched your MetaTrader terminal. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. It actually functions similarly to the traditional Bollinger Bands, as we can see, right? It has an upper band and it has a lower band, okay? And it also has a central moving average, although I'm just going to change the color so we can see it clearly. All right, I'm going to change the color. I don't know which of these it is. Let me try this. Okay, that is it. So we can see that it has an upper band, it also has a lower band, and it has a moving average in the middle. Okay, so these bands act as guides for buy and sell signals. Okay, now this indicator also shows us dots on the chart, okay, indicating trend shifts, right? So when there is a noticeable shift in the trend, the indicator gives us an insight with dots, all right, in some cases, okay, in some cases. Now, basically, the main focus are going to be on the bands, all right, when you want to identify a sell signal or buy signal, just like how the Bollinger Bands functions, your focus should be on the bands, the upper band and the lower band, all right. Now, let us look for tangible examples. Let us look at very good examples. Okay, I'm just going to also change this to a color that we can see clearly. Okay, so you can see that the indicator gives changes in, it identifies changes in market trend shifts. It indicates trend shifts both with some dots above and some dots below. All right, now when you want to identify a sell signal, look for points of rejection on the upper band, okay, because the upper band serves as a dynamic resistance, all right, while the lower band serves as a dynamic support. So when you have rejection around the upper band, you can watch out for bearish candlestick patterns. If you identify any bearish candlestick pattern around the upper band, then you can proceed to enter a sell. After doing that, you can set your stop loss above the swing highs, above the resistance, and then for your take profit, you can decide to wait for the price to get to the lower band, but there is no need to jump out of your trade immediately. Okay, watch out for how the watch out for how the Fiji BB Alert Indicator reacts, because when the Fiji BB Alert Indicator is trending in one direction, it shows that the momentum is strong. So do not exit immediately when you notice that. Instead, wait for the Fiji BB Alert Indicator to curve. For example, it happened here, right? You can see that it happened here. Here again, it happened. Let us look for another example. Here again, it happened. So when you are in a sell trade, for example, do not exit your sell immediately the price touches the lower band. Wait for the band to curve up. After the band curves up, then you exit your sell. Okay? So in the case of a buy, the reverse is the case. All right? When you have the price bouncing off the lower trend line, the lower band, sorry, when you have the price bouncing off the lower band, you enter a buy trade after you have confirmed your buy entry, right? So if you confirm your buy, perhaps by identifying a bullish candlestick pattern, you can enter a buy once you've confirmed your entry, right? And then you set your stop loss just below the swing low. And for your take profits, like I said in the case of a sell, you don't necessarily need to exit immediately the price touches the upper band, okay? You can wait until you have a curve, right? You have a curve. In the case of a buy, it's going to be a downward curve. With that, you exit your buy trade. All right. Now these dots, which show changes in trend shifts, could just be pullbacks. Okay, as you can see, it was just a pullback here, it was just a pullback here. So if you are a scalper, that is when you might need the dots. Okay, because the dots are going to show you that a pullback is possibly about to happen. All right, but if you're not a scalper, you might not necessarily need the dots. Okay, in the case of a sell, you can see when the blue dot appeared, it was just a pullback. When it appeared, it was just a pullback. Okay, so if you are interested in trading the trend, riding the trend till the very end, you might not necessarily need the dots. Okay, so pay close attention to the reaction of the upper and lower bands when the price gets to it. If it continues to move upwards, you can hold on to the trend or to the position. Then when you have a curve, that is when you can then exit. All right, whether it is a buy trend or a sell trend, watch out for the curves, watch out for the straight movements. All right, it's very, very important. Now you can actually decide to use this indicator in a consolidating market or in a trending market, whichever one. All right, whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader, this indicator can come in really handy. And then I'm also going to recommend that you confirm your signals, in as much as the Fiji BB Alert Indicator can be really effective. It's also important if you confirm the signals, okay, just to be on the safer side, not to add, more level of confidence to your trades. It's important if you can confirm your signals. So for example, you can decide to use any other indicator of your choice actually, but I'm just gonna use RSI in this in this video. You can use the RSI to confirm. You can use any other indicator of your choice, but in this case, we can see that when the indicator gave us a sell signal, the RSI was in the overbought territory and pointing downwards, and that was a confirmation. One of the benefits of getting confirmations is that there is a higher chance of the trade going in your direction because more than one indicators are telling you the same signal. For example, you have a signal from the Fiji BB Alert Indicator, and at the same time you're getting a signal from the RSI to sell, and at the same time you are getting a signal from the resistance level. You can see that we have a resistance level around here, and we even have a double top chart pattern. This is a double top chart pattern. It's also a bearish reversal pattern. So in this case, we had multiple confirmations. So that would have been a great point of sell entry. So it's been a great point. Here was a great point to enter a sell. Here was another great point to enter a sell. All right. So there is really, really need for confirmations. Okay, it adds layer of confidence to your trades. Okay, and that is it for this video. Make sure you always observe good risk management. Do not trade with an amount you can't afford to lose. Always use good risk to reward ratios. For example, 1 to 2. If you're risking $1, you should be targeting $2 profit minimum. Okay, and then do not risk more than 2% of your capital in one single trade. All right. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. Meanwhile, if you have not yet clicked the notification bell, you might want to do that now so that you don't miss out on more videos that are very insightful. Okay, see you in the next video.